gonna make a device for Halloween. And I bought some stuff from a local store. It's a secret from where because I'm not advertising for them. So, da sind die Rollen. It's a pipe. It's 2-inch pipe. And we have to wash that. I got 3 of them. Oh, I got one more in the garage. I've got paint in this orange fluorescent paint. It's really bright. And there's my bucket with soapy water and towels to dry it. So here we go. So now we wash them and dried them. We're gonna paint, and I don't have a big surface for the floor here to keep my grass from getting painted on, but it doesn't really matter that much. As much as I like to get the most of it on there, we pretty much just want them orange, so they stand out a little bit more. They don't have to be perfect. And I'll go over there more than once. Uh-oh. It's already... That's not good. I've never had that happen before, that the paint clogs up that quick. That's going to go back to Menards. Oops. They got bad paint. I'm just saying that. Because they don't pay me for giving them commercial now, do they? And you gotta shake it. You gotta shake paint. Just like the regular paint. You gotta shake the cans too, so it's mixed up inside. And I already shook that one earlier a little bit, so I wouldn't have to shake it so long now. That must be the kind of paint that is, because I had never had this happen before. Oh, again, that is ridiculous. Hello friends again. So we've got some regular orange paint now, because that didn't work. You have to make sure our video cropped it, so you're not gonna have the beginning of the show. But we washed these off and dried them off, and you're supposed to. If you want it to last longer, you also should get some sandpaper and sand it before you paint. So sand it first, wash it second, and dry it third, and then you can paint. So this would be step 4. Actually, that's step 5, because we did shake the can. That covers better too. Not that it has to be perfect for what it's used for. It's not essential that everything is covered. It's not essential that everything is perfect. Yeah, see how much different that paint is? Goes on smooth, it doesn't clog up. I bet you it's because we bought fluorescent. And then we let this side dry. I'm not even going to worry about the painting of that writing can show. We don't need to worry about that, do we? Okay, so this side is done. Going on to the next one. The whole purpose of even painting that, you don't even need to paint that. We just wanted it to look more Halloweenish. If you wanted the black marks, the black writing to disappear, you would just have to do more layers. We're not gonna do that. Again, I'm not too worried about the looks of it other than it shows it's Halloween. If you don't want, I have a few runs here, and again, I don't care. If I would care, you have to make sure that you move around fast enough and not accumulate at one spot, and then that won't happen. So, now we let this dry for a little bit, then we come back and do the other side. So then you turn them around and do the rest. And I probably need 2 cans. I bought 3, but I don't think I used 3. This one. Ideally, you want to wait until they're completely dried and are not tacky anymore. But we're running out of daylight, so if they're still a little tacky, they're gonna have little where they're laying on the horse. There's gonna be a little sticky and leave a little mark. But like I said before several times, we don't care about that right on these. It's not supposed to. It doesn't have to be perfect. Yeah, I'm running out of paint. There, that's it. Now we gotta shake another can. We see you after. Hello back. We have also these that I'm going to spray paint as well. There's a connectors between the two. The 3 pipes, not the 2. I thought I missed something. I didn't. Ah, not so close. Okay, the second pipe is almost done. When you don't have to worry about quality, this is really easy. A child can do this. I would say an 8-year-old could probably help you with this. Why does it want to roll? Now when you have a project that can't have runs in it and has to be then I would say do it yourself and take a little more time. But on this project, it doesn't matter. There, that's all we needed. And we see you back when we install it. Hello friends again. So today we're gonna go install what we painted yesterday. So I already put the ends on, or the connectors on there, on both sides of this pipe. We got to put one on that end and one on the other end. You have to get some help with somebody to push on the other side to connect these, or they won't be connected right. Okay. Now push. How far is that from the window? Hold that. Now we got to connect that one. You got to lift it up and push real hard and turn it. Okay, I think it's in. Okay, now we got to go upstairs. You stay down here, I go upstairs, and we take care of that. There, I took the screen out of the upstairs window. And the other problem is we don't know how to fasten that pipe. I mean, when it's Halloween, we can just hang it up here. Does that hang on by the fence? So we need to do something with that. Hold it up again. Okay, I need you to push that up further. Okay, let go. Okay, I'm coming back downstairs now. Right here, maybe. And now we got to cut it right there. I want to bring it over here a little bit. And then we're going to cut it right there so the kids can come to the fence and get it. So we're going to bring it over to here. There. Now we put that back on here. There. And when that's cut, that's gonna not be hanging down so much either. And then we're gonna hang a bowl at the end of it where the kids can get the candy. So there's no contact with the kids. The kids can get their own candy, but we still give the candy out. Okay, jetzt. I want this. Closer to that. So now we gotta find something to saw that off and then we'll be back. So we want that long enough so the kids can take their candy like right here. I go outside and do that. This is fun. I'm gonna make it right here. I don't know how my shoulder likes that, so. It's fast, that goes fast. There! That should work. Let's try it out. I go upstairs and throw candy down. I'm on my way to the backyard. So I can go upstairs with the candy to see if the candy lands out down below. It should if everything is going right. If not, then we have to troubleshoot. We will see how that works. I'm gonna get the candy now. I got a big bag of Halloween candy for all the kids that are gonna come. I hope that we get a lot of people. So I got 3 pieces of candy. I'm gonna throw down there. Here I am. Let's see how that goes. Did it come down?
Yeah.
Ha! It is a success! Yeah!